Hey there, Unity enthusiasts! Party popper! Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of Unity3d. In today's video, we're going to unravel the mysteries of rotation in Unity3d, a crucial aspect of 3D game development and animation. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced developer looking to refresh your knowledge, this tutorial will guide you through the essentials of handling rotation in Unity. We'll cover Euler angles, the straightforward and intuitive way to handle rotation. Quaternions, a more advanced but powerful method for smooth and stable rotations. Practical examples, how to apply these concepts in real Unity projects. Smooth interpolation, techniques to achieve fluid and natural motion. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to rotate objects in Unity3d effectively and avoid common pitfalls. Make sure to stick around until the end for some helpful tips and tricks that will elevate your game development skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. Let's get started and transform your Unity3d rotation skills. Rocket. Rotation is a crucial aspect of 3D graphics, allowing objects to spin, tilt, and orient in different directions. Unity3d provides several methods to handle rotation, each suited to different needs and scenarios. Here's a comprehensive guide to understanding and using rotations in Unity3d. In Unity, rotation can be represented in different ways: Euler angles and quaternions. Let's create a game object for understanding the Euler angles in Unity3d. Euler angles, these represent rotations around the x, y, and z axis. They are intuitive and easy to understand, but can suffer from gimbal lock, a situation where two axes align and cause a loss of 1 degree of freedom. Euler angles are commonly used due to their simplicity. They specify rotation as 3 separate angles, typically referring to pitch, yaw, and roll. For example, let's create a script and rotate game object using Euler angles. In the start method of the script, I assign the values 45, 60, and 50 to the x, y, and z coordinates of Euler angles. Pros of Euler angles: intuitive and straightforward. Direct control over individual axis rotations. Cons of Euler angles: subject to gimbal lock. Can be problematic for smooth transitions. We're so grateful for your support and for being part of our community. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Your likes and subscriptions mean the world to us. Thank you for watching.